I gave the AI a prompt, and I'll actually share the prompt with you all here in Discord, where I was like, hey, I want to build this service that allows me to take a zip file, encrypt it, upload it to one of these shared systems that's free, right, and then from a server, give me the command for me to download it to a server. And all of this was done with AI. Literally, it took me no more than 15 minutes to write this program with AI and test it out and actually do a file share remotely with my computer to a server. And what it just gave me some insights into is, number one, how fast we can develop and solve problems by utilizing AI. But we also have to be willing to test this stuff out, right? Not just, hey, I'm going to go find another service or I'm going to go buy a new application, because technically what I recreated is something that people will pay money for. If you're using an IDE, you're not using AI the right way. You're actually moving too slow. Welcome.
Yeah.
What up, D Hustle?
What's going on?
Oh my gosh, we here at episode number 69 of the Tech Hustle. Raymond, don't call him Ray Ray.
Morning, what's
How
up,
you
guys?
feeling?
What's going on?
Yeah.
Good. Had my coffee. I'm good.
You ready to go?
Shit,
Yeah.
you have drink coffee?
I did.
Yeah.
Of course.
I think he drink coffee every day. I think he has to drink coffee to get his day started.
Coffee every day, my friend.
But
you don't come off as a coffee drinker.
Yeah.
I don't?
No.
Oh, yeah, no.
He's
like
too
a
calm.
soda in the morning.
Soda in the morning?
Heck
Pep him up?
no.
Nah.
I drink my hot coffee in the morning and my iced coffee like on the weekends.
Oh, look at you, gourmet.
Yeah, so.
Yeah. Well, I want to say welcome everybody to episode number 69 of the Tech Hustle. I'm your host, Bobby D. We got my guy D Hustle and my guy, cousin Raymond. Don't call him Ray Ray. Say what's up to the audience, bro. Don't look at me. Look at the camera, bro. We do this every time. But anyways, we got a real packed show and definitely excited about an opportunity to be in front of you all again. We are the Tech Hustle. We got a really cool show laid out for you all. I'm going to give you a quick run of show. And if this is the first time tuning in, always remember, like and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. We've been holding it down for a minute. And, we had episode 69, and we got another announcement to make at the end also. So for the show this afternoon, first off, I'm going to kick it off with a tech talk. I'm going to be talking about AI, but a little bit different today is actually I used AI to build something. Actually, it built something that I think I heard Raymond talk about, the service that I'm going to be talking about in terms of secure file sharing. Okay. But we're going to be talking about it during the tech talk section of the show. Afterwards, we're going to have D Hustle come up with tech current events. He's going to hold it down. Raymond's Nuggets. Let's give Raymond a little bit of sound there. Raymond's Nuggets is going to pull up. It looks like he got to utility site and also some type of news story riddle type thing. I don't know what's up with that. We'll see. We'll all have to tune in and see what's good. And then afterwards, we'll have D Hustle come back around for some sports. Yeah. What, are you going to put some music up? You already queued me up? Yeah, I can hear everything in here, bro. And then after sports, we're going to have some sponsorships. We got some new sponsors to shout out. And then the outro, where we're going to be talking about what we got coming up, what we've been doing this month, and definitely keep you all tuned in and everything that's going on in the industry, right? How y'all feel about that, fellas?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We want it.
D Hustle's already queued up, player. As always, thank you so much for holding it down. He definitely is tuned into the show. And if you are familiar with that sound, it's usually backstage of Bobby D, but on our Tech Hustle Cop podcast, that's when Bobby D comes up on stage to do some TED Talk. Go ahead and turn it up a little bit more, D. All right. So this week on our episode of Tech Talk, I'm going to be talking about a tool called FShare.sh. So let me tell you the problem that I was solving before we talk about how I use AI to basically create this tool. So have y'all ever had to share a file online with somebody? I mean, usually use services like Google Drive or Dropbox or something like that, right, to share a file. But when you actually have to share a file, not with an individual, but with a computer, right? Let's say that I have a file that has a program that I want to install, and basically I want to be able to have that computer access it, right? One of the ways that you can utilize or do it is utilizing SSH. So if it's a Linux machine, you can say SSH into that computer, or use something called SCP, like a secure copy, to actually send the binaries or files or zip file that you want to send. For Windows or other utilities. But I thought about it like, hey, why don't I just create a tool that allows me to kind of encrypt the file that I want to send over and then also decrypt it in the same process. Why am I thinking about this? Because one of the challenges we all have is storage, right? So let's say with Dropbox, with Google Drive, there's a limited amount of storage you can have out there before they start to charge you some type of money,
Yes.
right? And if you don't, then you won't be able to share files. You won't be able to access your email, especially with Gmail and all that good stuff. So I'll be like, you know what? There are these services that are out there that basically says, hey, if you upload something to it, it'll disappear after a few hours, right? I believe Raymond reported in his Nuggets one time, utilizing it to kind of share content or share files and utilizing it as a file sharing system. You remember that report that you did?
Yeah.
So I'm like, hey, how can I actually programmatically utilize that same functionality so that I can transfer a file from my computer to a free storage system, and then from that free storage system, download it into a server that I have running in AWS. And my first challenge that I had is like, first of all, when you upload it to these services, that stuff is like public, right? Anybody can access it. Anybody could potentially get your link and download whatever file you have out there. There are some limitations where you can say, hey, this file can only be downloaded once, and or it has to be with a password or something like that. But I'm like, yo, I actually want to transfer something where I don't really care where it's stored at. It just stores it, but it also allows me to download it from my server without any type of challenges, or it's also secure. So I was testing this process out with utilizing AI, and big shout outs to AI. I give AI a round of applause because y'all just don't realize how an engineer like me is able to basically move faster in solving these problems. So I gave the AI a prompt, and I'll actually share the prompt with you all here in Discord, where I was like, hey, I want to build this service that allows me to take a zip file, encrypt it, upload it to one of these shared systems that's free,
Right.
and then from a server, give me the command for me to download it to a server. And the cool thing about it is that it's only one command that you execute for uploading, and then it's one command for you to execute downloading. You'll have to know a password because you have to define a password for when you upload it. You got to set a password. But when you download it, you just provide the same password, and then all of a sudden it downloads the file, unzips it, and put it in your the location that you want it to be in. And the cool thing about the application itself is that it tries to use more than one of those file server share systems, right? Because some of them have limitations. It's like, hey, you can only upload 5 files a day, or you can only upload a file a certain size. And this program will automatically go through the list of ones that it can upload and utilize whichever ones that comes available. And all of this was done with AI. Literally, it took me no more than 15 minutes to write this program with AI and test it out and actually do a file share remotely with my computer to a server. And what it just gave me some insights into is, number one, how fast we can develop and solve problems by utilizing AI. But we also have to be willing to test this stuff out, right? Not just, hey, I'm going to go find another service, or I'm going to go buy a new application, because technically what I recreated is something that people would pay money for, right?
Right.
And it took me less than 15 minutes with AI to build it out and actually, see it successfully work. And the cool thing about it is that it encrypts the whole process, because what it does is it first of all encrypts the binary or the zip file. And then it says, hey, I'm going to upload it to this destination, but that destination isn't accessible unless you get the actual program to download it. And that program to download is also encrypted.
Wow, that's cool.
And then all of a sudden, you just execute one command, type in a password, and it does the whole thing for you in 15 minutes. It is wild. I'll drop the link inside of Discord for everybody to check it out. I am planning to open source it. So if you're not familiar with open source, that's basically where we share programs, we share applications, we share development together in a more open and transparent space. If you're not already on GitHub and you say you're a software engineer, I'm questioning if you are a software engineer, because that's where software engineers hang out. But also, if you are looking into getting to computers and tech, I would highly encourage you to be familiarized with what GitHub is, and then more or less the use case for it, which is how we share programs with each other. Because this program, which I'm going to actually share the conversation inside of Discord, will be downloadable via GitHub. But I'm challenging you to go find me on GitHub so that y'all can see what this FShare file system or a secure file program that I created basically allows you to securely, not SSH, but securely encrypt, but also upload the files to any of the file sharing platforms that are out there, and then actually have a way for you to download it. I mean, it is literally changing the game for me on how I'm able to share binaries across the internet in a very secure way, and definitely want to encourage you all to check it out. If you have any questions or if you have any follow-ups to it, please hit me up on GitHub is the best way for you to actually hit me up on this pull request. And just look at my GitHub repository. I have a repository out there called FShare, and then you can basically share it out that way.
That's cool.
All right? So I'm giving y'all some insights on how to use this stuff. Remember, I'm a different type of engineer. I'm not just vibe coding to create a nice web interface, which I'm not biting anybody that's doing that, but I'm actually using it to build some really cool tools that things that I've always wanted to build, just don't have enough time. And yeah, this happened in 15 minutes, which is crazy.
Yeah, I'm reading your prompt right now. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's crazy, right? Side note, one of the other things that I realized about when I wrote this program is that there is going to be an error where, as a software engineer, I don't use an IDE anymore. And this is like something like a public service announcement that I want to announce to everybody that is in this industry and getting prepared is you do not need an IDE to do this type of work anymore. I actually have a talk that I'm creating that I'm talking about. If you're still using an IDE, you're still stuck in 2025. I can't wait, right? Because literally an IDE like VS Code or Vim or PyCharm or whatever the ones that are out there, even Cursor or Windsurf and all these IDEs that are coming out with that they're developing, you don't need it. You don't need it. You really do not need it. If you're actually using an IDE, in my talk, I say you're actually moving slower. And you can move way faster if you utilize agentic AI and more or less just define what you want and allow it to actually build it, right? It's going to change the game. And if you are interested in finding out more, you'll hear about the Tech Hustle Academy. We have a newsletter that I want you to subscribe to, and so that you can see more contents around this. But public service announcement, if you're using an IDE, you're not using AI the right way. You're actually moving too slow. So I can talk some more about it next week. Let me know in the comments if y'all are interested in me jumping into some more and actually showcasing a new AI agent that I have. His name is Kodak.
Kodak.
Yeah, he's a gremlin though. But he definitely facts, right? He definitely has the AI. I treat them as individuals, so I'll talk about the AI as if they're individuals. That's Kodak cool. Actually has the ability to really write some code, and I've been working on some even more stuff now that I built this FShare real quick. That y'all gonna be really amazed by it, and it's all built with Kodak, and I did not use my ID not one time. Which is crazy.
Yeah, that's dope.
Yeah. But let's give a big round of applause for Kodak. Give a round of applause for AI, where we're at in this journey. Definitely want to encourage y'all to get on GitHub. Find me on GitHub. Follow me at GitHub. You'll see the repository there. If you have any follow-up questions, I will communicate through PR requests. So definitely send those requests in, and then I'll be able to follow up on them. All right, fellas. Well, that's all that I have for Tech Talk today. I'm actually really, excited because I'm back at the keyboard even more with AI. But I'm always interested in know what's current events and stuff going on. So we got my guy D Hustle. What's going on, D?
Well, before you go into that, what AI are you using for our listeners to know?
That's a great question. So what I'm using for AI right now is I am using OpenAI's $20 version of their AI, right? And I'm only saying this so that you know how much money I'm spending. Only $20. And I'm able to create applications that people pay thousands of dollars for to create, but also they maybe even pay $20 a month just to use something like this, right? And Kodak, which is my new AI agent, is OpenAI's CodeX platform. Is CODEX. I reported in the show before. It's definitely one of those agentic tools that are out there, but I'm using it like crazy. And like I said, I've already given it a name, and we've been building some really cool stuff. I've been really on the OpenAI side of the house. Obviously, there's other available one from Anthropics like Claude and stuff like that. But I spent $20 right now with OpenAI. I'm going to get my $20 worth. And I'm telling you, I'm about to make knock on wood. I'm knocking on wood right now. $1 million company off of this for sure. I'm saying $1 billion.
So what you're saying is that your $20 code is different from the $200 code?
Yes, for sure. So the $200 one gives you more. So the free one is throttled. I don't know if y'all both subscribe to the free one. My wife subscribed to the free one also of ChatGPT. But there's a limit of how much you can use it, right? Soon as you breach that limit, they're going to start selling you the $20 one, right? And once you reach the limit of the $20 one, that's when they're going to sell the $200 one. So from what I've been using, I haven't breached my limit for the $20 one. So I don't really see a purpose for the $200 one.
Maybe I'm saying it incorrectly. So you did this Kodak. What was that program thing you just did?
So the one that I did was FShare.
So you did the FShare programming for the $20 one. If you do the same one for the expensive one, are you not going to get the same response back?
You're going to get the same response back,
okay.
But you won't be throttled. So let's say that I ask ChatGPT to do one thing, right? And then ChatGPT comes back and I have to ask it to do another thing. And then that back and forth, let's say that it does that 20 times. For the $20 a month one, that's it. It says, hey, you can't do no more. So if I need to do more, then I have to go to the $200 one. So then I can do it 20, 21, 22, 23. That's how that pricing model works. But what I really want to make sure I'm telling the audience right now is the $20 one, oh my gosh, you don't need to spend no more money. Like, you don't need to go buy 20 different versions of the AIs out there. Just give ChatGPT or OpenAI $20 a month and then go and build. And then you'll find use cases for other, is my encouragement. So don't spend no more than $20 or you're spending way too much, in my opinion.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Information.
All right. And remember, if y'all want more information, I need y'all to be in the comments, send me some messages, let me know if there's a topic you want me to dive in more about the pricing models, about the models, which one to use versus Claude versus OpenAI, and just my professional opinion. Hit me up in the comments and I'll definitely jump in. All right.
Sounds good.
All right. Appreciate you, my guy. Now we got my guy D Hustles up with Tech Current Event. What's going on, player?
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It's 5 o'clock somewhere, wherever you guys are. If not, have a drink for me, but here we go.
Damn, a drink. He said pop them bottles early.
All right. So in case you guys did not know, I mentioned this a couple podcasts before. Fila, which is Sony and Honda, have collabed with their own sedan for EV. Right now is in productions in their beautiful Honda plant in Ohio. So Ohio is making this beautiful EV/car, which is a joint between Honda and has begun production at their beautiful Liberty, Ohio, East Liberty, Ohio, just to be exact.
Wow.
This beautiful EV is going to be costing a whopping $89,000. Which carries stickers, which is an electric sedan that will come out in mid 2026. For those who don't know about this beautiful tech junkie passenger, will watch movies, surround, and listen to audiophile quality music, and you can play your PlayStation 5
in the car.
In the car.
Wow,
that's cool.
Wow.
All right. So I guess Tesla has a run for the money. Well, we haven't figured it out yet. Until he comes out, then I'll start talking the shit.
Wait until you see it on the road.
So I see it in the road, and we go from there. Right now, I mean,
that's cool.
So this was announced in 2023 in Los Angeles, the beautiful convention.
Okay.
Right now, you can put a $200 down. I like that, as Tesla was doing with the other cars, which was $100. Okay. Now you're doing $200.
Yeah.
The original basic model, of course, is $89,000. But if you want the signature, the big boy, the big kahuna, you're looking at $102.
Damn.
These prices are like stupid.
That is crazy, bro. That's
crazy.
You see
yourself paying $90K for a...
I mean, not for a Honda.
Well, let me show you what the Honda got. So if you get the upscale version, you get 21 inches of rear entertainment, a sensor camera monitoring system. It also comes with a 40 sensor camera lid, radar, ultrasonic, and ECU leverage with over 10 computing power of 800 trillion operations per second.
Okay. They trying to come
AR
with
tech.
It.
And also a noise cancellation for all you beautiful sound system.
Well, I don't know. It's still. I mean, what I do see is I think they're going to have. It said camera, lidar, radar. It's definitely going to possibly drive by itself too. You think?
The car itself is straightforward. It's a front end, a 241 horsepower electric, providing all-wheel drive, estimated 300 miles cruising range, and a 91 battery that can charge, including NACS-equipped Tesla superchargers up to 150 kilowatts.
Okay, so you can use Tesla superchargers.
Correct.
It looks nice.
I mean, it looks nice. I don't know for $100K though.
Well, if you get the premium, that's $100K.
I mean, I only go premium player.
Go big or go home. That's Bobby D.
I'm just messing. I'm just messing.
So it looks good. If you guys see the pictures up here, you'll see it up on the link. I have one of my guy posted up for you guys.
Yeah.
But something to think about. Not until 2026, so you can still put $200 down, pay $200 a month. You're looking like maybe 200 times 12. Get 24,000.
You go, Bobby. Your next Honda.
No. I mean, I got the Prelude, which is, I think it's decent. Definitely not in that price range. The price range is probably what's really getting me right now. It's almost like the old school Lexuses, right? Like the LS, like even the one that you be pushing, D. They kind of look like that big body.
Yes.
Sedan type, not more of a coupe or a smaller one. It definitely got some space in it, but I don't know, 100,000 for a Honda.
Isn't that what the Hypertruck,
Cybertruck
costs?
I wouldn't get the Cybertruck either.
100K. I wouldn't either.
Yeah.
You see, I saw how much the Cadillac EV is.
How much?
150.
The Cadillac EV is 150. Mm-hmm. What are they doing?
It's crazy.
Making an EV for everybody.
But who can afford it, bro?
I know.
The EV people.
They're like, yo, if y'all Tesla lovers like to go get Teslas, y'all can afford these prices too.
But then again, even like a pickup truck, though, just a pickup truck is like almost 85, 90.
Like a Ford?
Yeah.
F-150?
Yeah.
Big boy?
Yeah.
And then if you get the Raptor, which is the top of the line, you're looking like 150,000.
That is crazy. That's a 111 for me.
I seen it in the. It's 11 for Bobby.
Thank you.
Shout out to all you fucking money people who's making mad money like that to afford $150,000 car.
Nah, not afford.
Congratulations on that.
Yeah, that's a good one though. But I'm interested to see the market open up even more. I think when China's vehicles get over here, it's going to be a different type of game.
Some of them are available, some of them are not.
BYD is the brand, right? Isn't it something like that? Yeah. So, all right, D, what else we got on the list, player?
So if you guys do not know, this has been going on for a little minute, but a lot of people has been doing other considerations of course, brain implants transfers for silent inner speech is going to come out now, which is out. For some people who don't know, you're able to have your inner thoughts speak out loud.
Wow.
This beautiful implant starting at $10,000 for all the basic implants, but if you're looking for more in advance, you're looking up to 80 to 100 grand. This is basically what's going on is a voice without sound, if that makes sense.
I'm very intrigued, but I'm also like worried.
So it's for everybody who has these beautiful inside thoughts that sometimes you're trying to say it out loud, but it doesn't come up. So it says it out loud for you.
It does it for you.
It does it for you.
Wow.
A lot of people are very nervous because I might say you're dumbass or bitch ass nigga inside, and it comes out. Right. So, something to think about.
That'd be funny, right?
So yeah. So I mean, I have it up there. If you guys can see how it works, how the inner speech is similar version to speech in the motor cortex. Of course, you have the BCI that can record inner speech in real time, and then you have a private inner speech represented in motor cortex. Yeah. And other than that,
but this is one of those that's going to be planted on your brain type stuff, right?
In your brain.
So like that Neuralink almost.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
wow.
So their main thing is we can record inner speech that will be bypass the physical effort, from what neurologist says.
The physical effort to speak. Now there's an effort to actually speak.
That's crazy.
So the so-called brain can signal through imaging words with a non-movement at all, being enough.
I don't know. Raymond, you ready for a chip?
I'm not.
I don't know about D getting a chip.
I can't afford the person that I work with to know what I say about him And we all know who I'm talking about.
Wow,
Because he
bro.
might be watching the podcast.
No, we don't know. Can you say it a little bit more for our
I'm
listeners?
good. I'm good.
Yeah, you trying to keep a job, bro.
Yeah,
You better
yeah.
chill. You better chill. But I think this technology or tech like this is going to be more prevalent in the future as we're getting more. How can I say? Companies testing this out. I don't know if I'm ready for a chip. How about you, D? You ready for it?
Why not?
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah, he said if they give me $100,000 to test it, he'll be ready for it. Yeah, but also come with a new Honda.
Oh, good.
But wow, well, we're gonna definitely see our industry or our humans starting to merge with tech. I guess where we're
Let us know how that goes, D.
yeah.
I will. Once I get it in my brain, I'll let everybody know. So
Actually, we'll all know.
So when I'm looking at you and I'm saying the word and it comes out, you know exactly what it means.
No, I know.
I didn't say anything.
No, you didn't. You didn't. But you thought it though.
I thought about it. Yeah.
Damn. You definitely don't want that around the house either, too. So, bro,
I
you
do.
want it so
'Cause
they
I
can
want
hear
to
it?
say I want people to understand exactly what I'm thinking, but I didn't say it. It didn't come out of my mouth.
Yeah.
So
It's
is
too
what
much
it is.
burden. He just needs to think about it. Well, we'll see how it all plays out. Well, thank you for that new tech that's
Not a
dropping
problem.
soon, man.
And last but not least, I really didn't want to say this, but I have to say it for all you freaking iPhone users.
What's up?
September 9, iPhone 17 is coming out. You're able to get your iPhone 17, your Pro, and your Pro Max. Supposed to be the thinnest iPhone right now. AKA for all you beautiful, the guy in the left-hand side of me, he loved these beautiful purple and lime green
I gotta
colors.
put my order in.
Yes, he's been saying that for a while. He still hasn't got the phone yet. We're still wondering.
I mean, I don't know. It's thinner, better camera, maybe?
Supposedly, but that's what it says. iPhone 17 is expected to come out on September 9th, so if you guys haven't put in your pre-orders in, please put it in, which is a 6.3-inch screen. Of course, it has a little bit more megapixels in the camera, like you guys were saying.
Yeah.
Other than that, the pros and the cons, you guys can read up on that shit because I've been saying it for a while. I really don't have time for
You sound skeptical, D.
I'm not skeptical at all. It's just the same fucking phone.
It's the
shit,
same.
same size, same thing. But I put it out there because there's a lot of iPhone users out there.
Yeah, we do this for our audience.
Do it for the audience.
Yeah, he does it for you. Remember
that. So it is what it is. So iPhone 17 Max Pro is expected to see fewer upgrades too. From what they've been saying.
Yeah, right.
So as you can see, as soon as the phone comes on, everybody, I'll send something.
We'll listen in. We'll listen
I'll
in.
let you know when the next upgrade will be. Other than that, if you're looking for a nice price around $800, the Pro Max is expected to be the same price tag, which is $1,200.
Wow.
Other than that,
I mean, it's almost like buying a car, bro.
Yeah,
The down payment for it.
pretty much.
so
crazy.
other than that, that's all I got for iPhone. I did hear the big news. Well, I said it last time in the last podcast. The iPhone foldable phone is coming out next year. I will have a little bit more when it's more in depth and more, more serious. But other than that, it's all speculation and it's all news. But iPhone's been putting it all over their news and their websites and stuff that it is coming out. So again, I don't know. Just like Tesla and shit, we'll figure this shit out.
We'll see.
Other than that, that's all I got, ladies and gentlemen.
All right, my guy, as always, thank you so much for the new and most recent tech current events going on in the streets. Make sure y'all follow along. If you have any tech that y'all want D-Hustler to test out, give them some insights. Put them in the comments below, and we'll definitely add them to the show notes for future episodes. But next up, we got my guy Raymond. Don't call him Ray Ray. What's going on, player?
Not much. What's up, gentlemen?
Yeah, man.
All right, it's going. So, got an interesting nugget here for you guys. So,
What's up?
You ever watch a movie or
Yes.
you hear a song or a TV show? The song, you know how they play different songs on these movies and TV shows and stuff like that? You randomly hear it.
Yeah.
So you want to know, like, hey, I heard that song. What movie or what TV show it was from? This happens to me all the time. I had like a throwback. This is one of my favorite movies. Beverly Hills Cop. Remember the song they played in the strip club, Nasty Girl?
Yeah.
So I heard that and I was like, oh my God, I had like a throwback. And I was like, and I went on Apple Music and I downloaded it. So yeah, if you just hear random old songs from cult classic movies or TV shows and you want to remember what movie or show it came from, this is a website called TuneFind. and it will kind of tell you what movie or what show it's from, and it'll direct you directly to Amazon or Apple Music, and you can buy it if you want or add it to you. So yeah, I've been like on a whole Nasty Girl kid from Beverly Hills Cop, and they were in the strip club and they were playing that. He's like, what was that like? He's like, Murphy, get out of there. So but yeah,
that's a classic. That's what it is.
It's one of my favorite movies. So
I bet you that's the reason why you like that movie, because of that scene, bro.
Yeah, I mean, so yeah, but yeah, first two Beverly Hills Cops.
Yeah,
ones after that don't count.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, that's when Eddie was a superhero.
Yeah,
like he couldn't go wrong.
I think he's still a superhero for me.
He's still a superhero.
He's still Eddie Murphy, man.
Well, he was doing Coming to America, Beverly Hills Cop.
Yeah.
That's like, and he was killing it.
Yeah,
like,
that's when he was in his prime.
Yeah,
and I definitely feel like, in my opinion, people still got to respect his moves because he's been doing it for so long.
Yeah.
He's still doing it. What are you talking about?
But he's saying it's not at the same caliber.
It's not at the same.
Right now, he's doing cartoon / stuff. So when he did Shrek, you guys didn't. So you telling me you guys didn't appreciate Shrek?
No, I thought Shrek was amazing.
Good, yeah, but I mean, yeah, Shrek was good. Yeah,
but it's still not Beverly Hills Cops.
No, it's
back
not Beverly
in the
Hills
90s,
Cop 1, 2, Coming to America.
What was the one? Hidden Child, Lost Child. What was that one?
Lost Child.
Golden Child. That was amazing.
Boomerang. Remember Boomerang?
Oh, that's my favorite movie, bro.
He could not miss, man.
Yo,
but again, you cannot come out with movies like that before now these days, because again, there's some issues of people complaining.
True. The audience is different. Yeah,
you cannot get away what you have done before than what you have doing now.
Yeah.
What's the movie with the guy when
Norbit?
That was all right.
Yeah,
that was all right.
right.
I mean, the fact that he's playing
Professor.
all the characters, I thought that was really cool. But I'm looking for old school Eddie too. I want to see Eddie do stand up too.
Yeah,
I would love to
That's
see
a long
Eddie do
time
stand
ago.
up.
He
That's
did
a long
it already.
time. Yeah, he already done that.
Yeah, he ain't doing that.
Yeah.
So,
but anyways, the site here, what is it called? TuneFind?
TuneFind, yeah. If you're curious on what movie, or your favorite movie or TV show, and you want to hear the songs from it, check this out. You can go to their search and type in any movie or TV show or
for sure.
So, if you got some nostalgia or whatever.
If you had Shazam too,
Shazam be catching
Shazam too. Yeah, you could use Shazam on your phone, like
Yeah.
iPhone or your Google as well.
Yeah.
So this is another avenue as well.
Oh, that's what's up, man. Thank you for that nugget. Tunefind.com. That's TUNEFIND.com.
So, and it's got like all the songs from the movies and stuff like that. So,
Yeah.
Yep. And remember the Axo F?
Which one's
Axo
that?
F. It's like a kid's song from Beverly Hills Cop.
Yeah. That's what I thought you were going to be talking about, but then you went to the strip club.
Yeah, I went to the strip club one, yeah. Banana in the tailpipe. Banana in the tailpipe.
Classic movie.
Yeah,
Classic.
So, yeah.
Man, that's our childhood for sure.
I know. So,
all right, players. So what else you got on your list today?
all right. So the next one here is there's no link or anything like that. I'm going to give you guys limited information and build it up so you guys don't try to Google or search or anything like that. So,
Oh, my
you gotta wait.
yeah. So there was this
drag
news
on.
story
Uh-huh.
a couple weeks ago.
Uh-huh.
A famous person was buying some jewelry,
Uh-huh.
and the jeweler asked the person, "I'll give you a $2,000 discount if you can answer this riddle."
Oh, I remember.
Wow.
And I don't know if Bobby has heard this.
I haven't
I'm
heard
going
it.
to ask the riddle to the team here, and the internet just destroyed this person because they could not answer the riddle.
Got it.
So the riddle was, the jeweler was like, "Hey, I'll give you $2,000 off if you can answer this riddle off this jewelry."
I'm listening.
And the riddle is, the 45th and the 47th president has the same parents. How is that possible?
What?
The 45th president of the United States, Bobby,
Uh-huh.
and the 47th president of the United States, D. Hustle, has the same parents.
Uh-huh.
How is that possible? This famous person could not answer the riddle.
If it's the same person.
Who is it?
Donald Trump.
Very good. Nice job.
Did I get it?
You did get it.
Oh.
The famous person was Lotto. It's a rapper from Atlanta.
Uh-huh.
She could not answer that question.
She couldn't catch it.
She couldn't catch it. The jeweler was like, "I'll give you $2,000 off of this piece if you can answer this." And,
And
the
nobody-
internet,
First of all,
destroyed her. So
Of course. First of all, number one, Lotto doesn't give a fuck about First of all, number two, $2,000 in the big bread. That's fucking nothing.
I mean, it is a discount. You're not going to take the discount?
It's $2,000.
D's the one that does deals. He's like, that's not enough.
$2,000 is not. You're buying a fucking $100,000 chain. You're gonna get $2,000 off.
Okay. He's talking real bread now. That's what he's talking about.
Yeah, we're talking real bread. $2,000 is nothing.
God.
Yeah.
But okay. But I guess for all
you giving another one?
For all you rich people, that's good. $2,000.
Some people don't even make that in like 2 weeks. The hustle.
I mean,
okay.
Some people don't make it in a year, bro.
Yes.
Remember, around the world.
I'm just saying,
but.
So you're the guy that has $100,000 freaking merchandise and $2,000 take it off, and you're happy with the $2,000. That's what you're saying.
$2,000.
Raymond says anything off.
$2,000 compared to $10,000.
I mean, of course, beggars can't be choosers.
No, but you're thinking about the $2,000. He's got your mind all freaking all crazy for the.
So what? You're not going to take the discount then?
Not for the $2,000.
Wow.
Dang, you wouldn't even answer the question, D? D's like, nah, I'm not going to answer the question.
Oh my God, that is hilarious.
I'll come with a counter.
Oh my
wow,
God.
I'll answer this only if. That's wild.
funny.
If I get it right, and then I'll give you another thing, so I'll let you know. So I played heads and tails with you. So you're gonna tell me 2,000. I answer to you 2,000, and if you got my answer right, you take another $5,000 off.
You see, this is the guy that you take with you go make a deal, bro.
I ain't taking Raymond nowhere.
He's a playmaker. I'll take it whatever you want to give me. So,
oh man,
but yeah,
so a lot they was going in on her.
She couldn't answer it, Bobby.
I mean,
so
that just tells you how much people really tuned in, type stuff, right?
I mean, it's current events, but I don't. But yeah, so I thought that was a cool story that I wanted to bring up to you guys in our audience. So yeah, she got destroyed.
Yeah, that I mean, when you're not ready to ball, you can't really shoot the shot, player. So
yeah.
I'm not saying keep up with current events, but if they're trying to take some money off,
she should have known that, though. Don't you think?
No.
What do you mean? No, I mean, what
current events? I personally think that you should know when they say 45th and 47th. That automatically meant Trump for me.
Yes.
So as soon as they said that, that automatically meant.
She was just like, well, everyone's different. How is that possible?
Yeah.
Her mind was like exploded.
Yeah.
Like it was like, oh my God.
But that's also the challenge with trivia, because when you say trivia, the first thing you're doing is you have a blank sheet, you don't know where to start. So
yeah, he said a riddle, so he kind of so her brain was just like spinning.
Yeah.
But
don't beat her. The internet, please don't.
Her up.
Don't beat her up.
If you tell her who's the 44th president, she won't even know who it is.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I thought it was cool that he gave her the opportunity, for $2,000 off.
You're just trying to still run a lotto to ground right now. That's what it is.
What do you, I'm not. I just thought it was kind of cool that somebody would do that.
To drop
if you own a
2,000.
business, would you ever do that to a customer?
No. Not a trivia question.
Yeah, okay.
And well, technically, if the 2,000 that I'm taking off is not really money that I'm making, and I'm able to still make a profit off it, because he's still making
they mark those things up, man.
Yeah. So I mean, it probably wasn't a loss for him. I think it was more social media type shit.
Publicity. Yeah,
this guy's got a lot to learn now.
Yeah, these trying to get a 50% off.
Let me help you out. If you go to these jewelry spots, at the end of the day, let me help you guys forward people.
Yes, please do.
What's going on, especially Raymond over here.
I have no clue about jewelry.
$2,000 is a lot for him. I understand. For everybody, we'll do it. Unfortunately, if you jewelers who knows about the game or someone that don't know, let me school you real quick. At the end of the day, if you have a jewelry and you have it there, you make your own prices at the jewelry.
Really?
Right? So if you have a nice, beautiful, let's get down to something that I really like. I like Rolex watches.
Rolexes.
Right? Rolex watches. Rolex watches come out at a pretty price. Some of them you can get from 12 grand. Some of them you get to 15 grand. Some of them come out to 24 grand. All right? 24 grand. Let's put a nice little jump. Let's say a Rolex watch is 20 grand. An example. Right? He's going to mark it up to at least 25 to 27 grand. He's got to make his money. Okay? Now, if he sees somebody, he says, oh, that's my guy. I'm going to bend him over. That's my bitch. All right. How much is this Rolex? Right now, we have a sale going on. It's $29,000.
Wow.
Jesus.
This is real life. Car dealerships and houses, whatever the case may be.
Yeah.
$29,000. Oh, that's too much. Okay, what's the best you can do? I have a promotion going on. Let's see who's the 44th, 5th, and 47th president. I'll give you $2,000 off. Yeah. Whatever. Let's say they get the answer, right?
Yeah.
Now we're looking at $27,000.
Right.
All right? At the end of the day, he's making $7 grand.
Yeah, where he was originally only going to make between 3 to 5.
So in order for you to be nice enough to come down $2,000,
Yeah.
you're still making money. But for you guys, it's a deal.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I'm on to y'all motherfuckers. All right?
That's who you bring with you to go close deals, bro.
You
It's
know
deep.
what? You're going to make your money. At the end of the day, they're going to make their money.
For sure.
Doesn't matter if it's $2,000, if it's $4,000, if it's $5,000.
Yeah.
They're going to make it.
They're going to be some type of margins.
Some type of margin.
Yeah.
And if you don't get it, the next person will get it.
Yeah.
It is what it is. But anyway, that's one-on-one. Usually I charge for that shit.
Actually, the $2,000 that you save, that's what D picks up when he makes a deal.
Funny.
That's funny, man.
That's his advisor fee.
Yeah, for sure. All right, Raymond, as always, thank you so much for those nuggets. What was the first one? TuneFind.com?
TuneFind, yeah.
Yeah, for
And,
sure.
Also, shout out to Lotto and shout out to that jeweler.
Yeah, get some current events.
Shout out to Lotto for not knowing the answer.
Yeah.
Shout out to Jeweler for making his other $2,000.
Yes, he's got publicity now. So
Oh, yeah, he definitely got publicity. Is it somewhere in Miami? Or where's the jeweler?
I don't even know. So
Other than that, people are going to be flying in just to be in that scene. So big shout outs to him for social media, right?
Yes.
That's what really got him up there. All right, now we're up for some. Ooh, y'all know what that sound is. That means sports is up next with my guy D Hustle. Always really enjoy your presence. And if y'all don't know, he really enjoyed his new sound here. My guy. So what's good, D?
What's going on, guys? Welcome back. If you guys haven't had your first shot yet, get it in there. All right. Let's get down to business. WNBA is on right now. If you guys have not watching WNBA, the beautiful Minnesota Lynx has clinched the playoffs. They are already on business and ready to go. As far as the Eastern Conference, let's get down to business. Atlanta Dream is on making their dreams to first place. Just one game ahead against New York Liberty. Liberty has a 2-game losing streak, and that's why they are down to number 2. Western Conference, the Minnesota Lynx is up 8 games behind Phoenix Mercury. Phoenix, whatever you do, you're not going to catch up. There's only like 44 games, if I'm not mistaken. Right now, they're on 32 games as we speak, and Los Angeles Aces are right under. Other than that, hopefully these ladies are, preparing for playoffs, getting ready. Who is your favorite team? You guys have anyone? No? I love it.
Who's your favorite? You've been following along for a while. Who you rooting for?
I'm a Liberty fan.
Liberty?
I'm a Liberty fan. I'm back where Rebecca Lobo was on there. And
Yeah.
I also liked, back in the days, the Lakers. Not the Lakers. The Los Angeles Sparks when my girl, Lisa Leslie, was there. So
Yeah, that's back in the days.
Back in the days. But after that, I have not been watching it. But he has his Keelan Cockrell fan over here. So
until she's not, right?
so she's not. Other than that, that's all I got. NHL is going on right now.
Already?
Yeah, NHL is probably, the teams are practicing. The teams are getting ready for it. Who is your favorite team? Let me know so I can give them a shout out, and then we'll go from there. College football is getting warmed up, getting ready.
Yep.
They are practicing. No games are played yet, but they will be playing some games. Who's your favorite team? You let me know.
We got the Canes. You already know, UM.
Got the Canes. We got a Gator fan over
Gator
here.
fan over there.
FSU, so we all fucked up in this location. Other than that, let me know who's your team. We want all type of smoke. Wow, I want all smoke.
I know you do.
Raymond and Bobby I just look at sports.
Gators suck, so I don't even care.
Wow, bro. The season hasn't even started yet.
Shout out to that.
Wow, you see?
True fan. I
That's
like
crazy.
It. Hopefully he says the same thing about the Lakers, but we go from there.
That's a whole
we're coming to that
that's a whole different conversation.
Save that for later.
WWE is out, ladies and gentlemen. WWE has been I already told you guys who's the winner. John Cena's thing looking at his last route. ESPN joins WWE to stream WrestleMania beginning next year.
Wow.
I don't know if you guys know that.
Congratulations.
Shout out to that and the Disney Corporation over there. They doing their thing. Last weekend, MMA was on. A great MMA fight was there while I was working. You guys, while I was watching the fight. Beautiful MMA. My man, Undisputed. Chimaev, whatever his name is, I couldn't pronounce it. My man is 18-0, knocked out the heavyweight champion of the world. Congratulations to him. And my man Dana was over there just clapping it up, having his fun. Other than that, there's more fights coming out, but I'll let you know as the things go further. Boxing is heading up, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys not ready for September, my man Crawford. Is this September or November? I got to look it up. September, Crawford and my man Canelo getting ready for that undisputed fight. I can't wait. Who's going to win? You guys got to vote? No? Crawford and Canelo.
Crawford. Yeah.
I don't have no skin in the game, bro.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and say Canelo's had nothing to lose. I'm gonna go for Canelo. I like the underdog story.
He's like, I like him when they're underdogs. That's what's up.
Story. See what's going on. Crawford hasn't fought anybody in a while. He did fight somebody good, but eventually, when it comes to the boxing ring, they don't show up. So it is what it is.
Yeah.
Other than that, that's all I got for boxing. Soccer is up. Soccer is walking all over the place. If you guys have a favorite team, let me know who it is. Soccer's good. There's so many. There's a lot of different brackets and things. I'm not going to get down to each and every brackets. If you like a favorite team, let me know so I can give them a shout out. If you like Messi had a great freaking game. They went to the kicking. And they won. I don't know if you guys seen that. Great.
Like the end of the game?
The end of the game.
Yeah.
They went to a battle.
Yeah.
So if you guys have seen that, it is what it is.
Those are always really good closing. And Messi was there, so it was definitely a fanfare.
Yeah. Formula E is on. If you guys like Formula E, things are going crazy right now. McLaren's still on number one, like on a landslide type of shit. Other than that, Ferrari's right under. They don't know what's going on with these guys. But hopefully it is what it is. And now there's some issues between Mercedes and Red Bull. Who's going to be their main driver? Is it Max? Is it going to be fucking... It's a problem over there.
It's a problem.
The money's right. But the guy can't figure it out. He's doing like a LeBron James shit. It's another fucking bullshit. Max, figure that shit out, bro. Are you staying with Red Bull or are you staying with freaking Mercedes? Let's get down to business. Don't be like that fun LeBron loser and shit trying to figure what the fuck is going on. But other than that, it is what it is on that situation there. NBA is going on right now. If you are not watching the NBA preseason, there's a lot of stuff going on. The preseason is a lot of movement, a lot of stuff, a lot of garbageness. Actually, I don't know if you guys see it. The rankings came out for the PlayStation and 2K. Your brand Bronny had a 68 overall for N2K. How do you guys feel about that?
How do I feel about it?
Let's start over here with Bobby.
How do I feel about it? I think it's a good reflection of who and where he's at in his journey right now.
You think a 68 overall is great?
Is that not good or is that bad?
Well, I'm asking you.
100 is great.
100 is great.
90 is better than 68, and it's going all the way down to 68.
He's a 68 overall.
Yeah. I mean, compared to other players in the game, where does he sit?
I'm asking you, where does he sit?
I thought 60. You think it should be 40 or something like that?
Lower than that, yes. But wait, hold on. Okay. My man Raymond, what do you think about this?
It's above average. It seems a little high. So
seems a little high?
It seems a little high.
Wow, you even say this is a little high?
Being, no bias or anything like that. It seems a little high.
Wow.
I mean, it's above average. So.
I feel like, number one, his daddy helped him out.
Oh, here we go.
I think he called EA Sports or something like that.
Here we
I
go.
think he called EA Sports. I don't think my man has a 68 average overall. Actually, he tweeted about it. He was very upset that he got a 68.
He wanted more?
He wanted more.
Wow. Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah, that's LeBron James for you.
Wow.
I personally think you should have like a 40. I'm being generous because at the end of the day, you didn't do not a goddamn thing.
Look, all right, let me put it this way. It's just like the rappers. Like, they all think they're the best rapper. They're not going to say, I'm the worst rapper. It's the same mentality. Like, you're not going to say you suck. You think you're the best. I get it,
but
like,
being self-aware is actually a really great.
But what athlete or rapper have you heard say that? Hey, I'm not the best, or boxer, or whatever.
I'll tell you this.
Put it into that context.
I'll tell you this: whenever an athlete or a rapper know they are the best,
yes,
they don't walk around saying they're the best.
Okay,
they're self-aware. They always have room for improvement, and they acknowledge where people put them at.
What person have you ever heard been asked a question and they said, I'm like, whatever, I'm not the best?
The garbage ones.
Okay. Come on.
Let's be realistic.
If somebody asks you, hey, D Hustle, are you the best podcaster? What are you going to say?
I say, I manage.
Okay. All All right.
I'm not saying I'm the best because I
okay.
know there's other people that's way better than me. But I hold my own.
Yeah, that's what.
Yeah, you do hold your own player.
I hold my own. I'm not saying that I'm better than freaking Joe Button.
Okay.
I mean, I think you're better than Joe Button.
I'm not saying that I'm better than fucking Fat Joe.
I think you're better than Fat Joe.
Shout out to that. You heard it here first.
Yes. I think
But
we're
I'm
better.
not. But at the end of the day, I'm not saying I'm the fucking best. I'm not saying I'm the greatest of all times. I'm knock everybody out at the freaking park. Come show my podcast. Yada yada yada. I'm not saying that. At the end of the day, my words and my actions and my podcast speaks by itself.
Okay.
I mean that's my opinion. In terms of just,
and
you don't have to stand on it like that.
Again, I'm not for everybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I think you're not for Raymond like that.
I'm definitely not for Raymond. I know Raymond won't put me in his top 10 podcast.
You're in the top 5.
At the end of the day, I'm not saying I'm the freaking superstar. I'm doing what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? I'm just holding it down. I speak truth. I speak facts.
Yeah.
And for some people, like the guy next to me, does not feel like I'm speaking the general facts for him. I think I let him down when I speak about the James family. Let's be realistic here.
I think you're a little harsh.
I'm not being harsh. This is reality.
But hold on. Actually, audience, I don't know if you've seen this, but they actually both agreed on something for the first time.
What was that?
That Bronny should not be at the 60% or wherever it is. So,
60,
no.
yeah.
What
I think
percentage you think he should be in?
He should not be at a 60.
give us
Maybe
a percentage.
average.
Average,
Like 50.
50? You would give him 50
Yeah,
average?
like a 52 or
I
something
think
like
you're
that.
very generous.
I mean,
If there was like a -4, I'd fucking give that.
come on. He's not the worst player in the NBA.
That is wild.
Right, but
That's
he
wild.
also doesn't have the caliber to be on that fucking.
Should he even be in the
overall-
game?
Exactly.
He's
the
too
point.
high. I agree. But
He's way high.
okay.
Yeah. Well, as always, this always gets to some really
I'm
good
being
conversations.
Nice. I'm gonna be really nice. I think he should be in the 30s, 40s.
30, 40s.
Yep. Because generally, what has he done?
Yeah.
You know what? Let's ask you. Let's ask Raymond that. What has he done?
He
for
said
his
he said he
success?
agrees.
I
He said he
agree.
agreed.
He is too high. He's overrated in the game. Yeah, that is. But
No. He's saying in general.
in general,
Not the game.
Yeah, I mean, like he's not rated as. I mean, he's
he's
not
sti-
a starter.
Yeah, he's still not there.
Yeah, of course.
I think this is one of those medium points where both of y'all agree but
Yes.
disagree at the same time.
Yeah.
But I definitely thought that in terms of percentage wise, I thought 60 was a level, but y'all are saying it's even lower.
Yeah, it's above average. That's too high.
Very high. Very high.
Wow.
That's
Okay, well, shout out to a first time agreeing to something else. Other than that,
Y'all see how I pulled that out, right?
it is what it is. Other than that, basketball's going on here. People's already set the schedule last podcast. If you haven't hit it, go hit that rewind button and figure it out. Other than that, that's all I got for NBA. NFL.
Da-da-dun, da-da-dun.
NFL
Getting
is
there.
on right now, preseason, ladies and gentlemen. If you're not watching NFL preseason, that is your problem because I'm watching to figure out who am I going to pick on my fucking draft.
Oh, you getting ready?
Other than that, that's all I'm watching preseason. Camp's looking good right now, and the Giants organization. But again, once real season comes up, shit is all gone.
Did the Giants ever do that Hard Knock? You know that show?
They did.
They did?
They did a couple years ago.
Yeah.
A couple years ago, for some odd reason, they put them on TV.
Yeah.
I guess they want to show how fucked up the organization is. It is what it is. Have you done your draft picks already?
For fantasy.
Yeah.
No, our draft is like next week or something like that.
Okay, I've been lied to. He said it was going to be done like last week, but I guess it's not. So I guess they still need an extra player.
Yeah. No, they got to push it back. Yeah, it's too early.
It's too early now. So congratulations if you guys have done your draft already. If you haven't, please look at NFL, see what's going on, so you guys can figure out what's going on in the world and who to pick on your draft. I'm ready. I just got news that I got first pick on one of my fantasy leagues. So shout out to that. I already know who's going number
pull
one.
that off?
I don't know, but they did it. I didn't do it.
You didn't do it. It wasn't
I
you.
didn't do it. So shout out to that. And then another draft I got, I'm number 9, so it is what it is.
Okay.
So hopefully I got to work that game plan, but let's see what happens. Other than that, that's all I got for NFL. Season is on. Not game. The schedule is out for NFL.
Oh, the full season schedule's
full season
out.
schedule's out.
Got you.
If you guys want to watch a game, go ahead and look at your team wherever you at.
And also, listen to the last podcast episode where D gave a prediction for the Giants this year.
Yes.
So
Yes.
definitely, if y'all want to hear how he's feeling for the season, tune in.
Yes, please tune in. But I'll tell you later on in the future. I'll remind you guys.
Facts.
Exactly what's going on in the world. And last but not least, ladies and gentlemen, in baseball is going on. There is like at least 30 more games going on, ladies and gentlemen. Who is your favorite team? Let me know. Let me give you the division rundown. And then after that, that's all I got for sports, ladies and gentlemen. So in American League, we got the Toronto Blue Jays. Shout out to that organization over there knocking out the New York Yankees, which are like, whew, wow, that's 5 games behind. 5 games behind. Shout out to the Yankees who were not on third place now. Boston's on third place, so see what's going on with their Central. Detroit Tigers handling business. They are 10 games behind in front of Cleveland. So Cleveland, please don't try to make anything moves over there. Just make sure all your players are good so you guys can get into that wild card. Let's get down to the West. Houston Astros. Shout out to those guys over there playing cheap baseball.
You see, you can't shout them out without reminding us.
Shout out to my man Cam Smith. Shout out, you know how we do things over there. Over here, Seattle handling business. Texas all the way down to third place. National League, fucking Philadelphia all the way on the top. God damn, 6 games in front of my Mets.
6 games?
6 games in front of my Mets. The Mets had a beautiful losing streak. Shout out to that 7 losing streak, you fucking bums over there. You know, typical Mets, man. You guys let me down. When you guys supposed to be in the first, we were supposed to be in the league, but it is what it is. I'll talk to management about that situation.
Yeah, we need to get you into management.
Expect an email from me. Yeah. Miami Marlins are all the way on number 3, and then Atlanta number 4. Central, shout out to that organization. Milwaukee Brewers are just fucking balling. They're getting it done. Number 1 in the whole entire league. Number 1. Let me hear it again if you guys haven't heard it. Number 1. Playing great fucking baseball, man. They had a fucking 13-game winning streak. We might have to talk to the Mets and figure out what the fuck is going on over there. It is what is Chicago number 2, and then the West Dodgers handling business 71. Not as much as they're doing over there, but you know, Padres and then the Giants over there. Other than that, that's all I got, ladies and gentlemen, for baseball.
Oh yeah. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to the sports section. D Hustle, as always, appreciate you. Great conversation. And I think I got out of them too to agree on something, which was amazing.
Yeah. Finally. First and the last, so
it sounds like the Mets are need to step up the game a little bit. The Giants will definitely be tuning in throughout the whole seasons. Dolphins will definitely. Big shout outs to Marlins still holding it down. And yeah, as always, we really do appreciate you, D, for the sports section. All right, so we're going to close it out real quick. But before we close it out, I want to give a shout out to our sponsors. First up, we have Marvelous Creations, servicing Palm Beach to Miami-Dade for any type of treats, cakes. The other day she made some cookies for an executive event. If you're looking for a birthday, she does custom cakes, custom orders, and she can definitely take care of you. Check out Marvelous Creations and definitely check her out on our website. Next up, we have Sunshine Photography and Design, SPD. She's based out of Orlando, but she also services West Palm Beach area. If you're looking for events, photography at events, headshot, corporate shots. She actually just did an event where she went to a company and took headshots for all of the employees. And if you're looking for some type of services like that, definitely hit up Sunshine Photography and Design. We got another plug in there. D, you got one to drop too, right?
Oh, yes. Shout out to Wonderlux over there for all you people who needs bartending services. So if you have an event and you need a bartender, come hit up Wonderlux. They'll go ahead and support from down south Miami to all the way to Orlando. I might be stretching it to Orlando.
He said Orlando. Let's go.
But I'll give it to Orlando in case. But hit it up to Wonderlux, ladies and gentlemen. They're handling their business great for your cocktail mix and all that other good stuff.
Big shout outs to Wonderlux. And the last sponsor shot that we have is the Social Project. Let's give the Social Project a big round of applause. It's a nonprofit organization down here in South Florida servicing the neurodivergent older group. So 21 and older events that they host. I believe they have an event coming up August, the end of August, where they're going to be doing a pajama party for neurodivergent individuals, 21 and older. If you are interested in finding out more, or more specifically donating to the Social Project, hit us up here at the Tech Hustle. Big shout outs to the whole crew and team over there. And yeah, let's go ahead and get the outro going here. Cue the music up. There we go. How y'all enjoy the show today?
Okay.
Yeah, some good conversations. Y'all had some agreements, right? Yeah. We here learn about $100,000 Honda, right? We got some good stuff. Really cool website. What is it called? TuneFind.
TuneFind.
Yeah, especially if you want to find that music for a movie that you're watching, definitely check it out. And TuneFind, I need that check though. We need to be sponsored. If you are looking for us to check out a website or a utility site, hit up Raymond. Don't call him Ray so we can have it here on the show. We're always looking for support and sponsors. And definitely D Hustle is also here for new tech. So if you got a new device that you're thinking about, if you're thinking about the iPhone folding one, and you want to send us one so we can give you some reviews, let us know. My guy D Hustle will hold us down.
I'll send that shit right back. So don't worry about it.
He'll send it right back, nicely packaged, but we'll definitely give you a review. So one thing I wanted to give a big shout out is we had an episode for Backstage with Bobby D. Big round of applause for the whole team working on that. Y'all did an amazing job. We had a guest, Patrick Newman. Big shout outs to Patrick Newman.
Patrick.
It's really nice to see you,
I
my
want
guy.
my barbecue.
Yeah, next time we're in San Francisco, we're pulling up. The video content is amazing, and the content itself, what we're talking about, myself and Patrick, really will enlighten you on my journey and time that I worked at Twitter, because he was actually one of my managers at that time. We got a few more episodes coming out with Backstage with Bobby D, so definitely tune in and subscribe to our channel. Next up, the Tech Hustle Academy. We got something going on. We've been on it for 30 days, and obviously you can see that I'm using AI during my tech talk earlier, so if you missed it, tune in. But the same thing is what we're actually publishing in our newsletter specifically for the Tech Hustle Academy, and I encourage you all to subscribe and follow along. And in talking about newsletter, big round of applause for another Backstage and Bobby D guest, Lisa Pratt Sanchez. We're going to be highlighting her as a spotlight member for this month coming up. So I definitely want y'all to tune in and listen in, because she dropped some gems, and she have a great book that I've been, telling everybody about, and want to encourage you all to follow along so y'all can get your copy too. So definitely, that's all that I got, fellas. Any last words, D?
No, enjoy your day and be safe out there.
Yeah, for sure. And how about you, Raymond? Don't call him Ray.
Shout out. Remember who the 45th and 45th president is, people. Stay on top of your current events.
Who is it?
Donald Trump.
President Donald Trump. Don't forget that.
Donald Trump.
Yo, did y'all hear they about to change Southern Boulevard to Donald Trump Boulevard, or Donald Trump Highway?
I've heard rumors about that.
Yeah, Southern's going to get his name changed, which is crazy. I'm still going to call it Southern. I don't know what everybody else is going to call it.
He's always there anyways. So.
Yeah, But anyways, we want to say thank y'all so much for tuning in to episode number 69. We'll definitely got something coming up. Oh, big announcements. So we are transitioning into a new space. I hope y'all can see we got a new vibe, new look. Let us know what you think about it, and definitely looking forward to feedback always. But with that said, is that we're going to be kicking off our next season number 5. At the top of the next episode will be episode number 50. So if you have been here since day one, we really appreciate you. If you're new here, welcome, and definitely thank y'all so much for continuing to hold it down. Holla at your boy. It's Bobby D.